Hey guys, it's Sadie and I'm literally wearing a blanket. Like literally look how big that is. I will link where I got it down below. Hi! Today I'm going to be decluttering my room and my bathroom. Literally all the drawers, everything, my vanity. From top to bottom, I'm going to be getting rid of stuff that I really don't need. Since I'm going to be moving to a smaller house, I'm going to need to downsize a lot. Like I just have so much stuff, especially like under my bed and like in those drawers. I literally just have way too much stuff. So we're going to get organized and declutter my room and my bathroom and all my products and stuff today. Hopefully this will inspire you guys or be satisfying, and let's get right on into the video. So first I started off with my drawers because there's actually so much stuff in there that I do not need at all. Basically the first thing that I did was take everything out of the drawer. The second drawer wasn't really that bad, so I kind of just like left it there. It was all my diabetes supplies. And then the last drawer I took everything out just so I can really get a look at everything that I have. The next thing I did was make 3 piles, one to keep, one to move to like another place in the house or just somewhere else, and then 1 trash pile. Then I reorganized everything by putting it back in a different way or a way that I just like the look of better, and it just looks so much cuter and so much more minimal. It doesn't really make me want to puke when I look at it. The next thing I did was get rid of multiples. I had so many of these makeup bags that I don't use. I don't need all of them, so I just got rid of the ones that I know I'm not going to use. Same thing with nail polish, and a lot of them were also gross and crusty anyways, so I just got rid of the ones that I never seem to put on. Is under my bed, and I was actually super scared for this because I knew that I had so much garbage and trash and extra things under my bed that I was scared to find. Also, my mom came in and I literally had like a 15-minute conversation with her, and I didn't think that I should turn off the camera because I was kind of dumb at that point, and then my camera battery died, so I literally had to change it anyway. So also, this is my favorite stuffed animal that I've ever gotten, and I used to sleep with it every single night, and I thought that it gave me good luck. I also found all this makeup that I didn't know that I had. Went through all of my binders and took out all of the papers in there because I really do not need those anymore. And I literally found so much cool stuff that I didn't know that I had, like my braces photos and this essay that I was really proud of, some old yearbooks and dance awards and like birthday cards. It was actually really cool to see. I threw a bunch of stuff out, self-explanatory. So I'm watching Friends in the background, but I literally just opened up this random egg, and guess what I find? My Silly Bands collection. Are you kidding me? That's actually so funny. I am not keeping this as much as I want to. That is just too much. I literally found so many cool things in there, like all of my dance awards, the special awards, and I literally only kept the first overall ones. And I found so many school pictures and soccer trophies and medals. I'm definitely keeping those in like my old yearbooks and stuff.
I know it says
Next, I went through my desk, and this is actually pretty organized, but I just got rid of some stuff that I had duplicates of. Next is my makeup, and I went through this really pickly, I don't even know if that's a word. I basically got rid of all of the makeup that I don't use every day, and I was super picky with everything. Also, makeup does have an expiry date, so I looked at the expiry date and most of it was actually expired, so fun for me. I also decided to wipe some things down because there was makeup all over it. Then I went to sleep and woke up the next day and I cleaned out my bathroom. So this is me saying day 2 baby in a really weird voice. Don't know what I'm doing there. Let's just ignore these clips. I basically went through all of my products like skincare and moisturizers, self-tanners, everything that was in these drawers and got rid of stuff that I don't use. I also have these cool little reusable cloth toner pads that I just put like toner and fake tan on, and then I rub them on my face and I just throw them in the laundry and they clean themselves, and it's super good for the environment. I also have this little bucket that I put all of my bath products in and bath bombs. Then I decided to clean my shower because it was actually disgusting. And this is the final product.